Hello all, my name is Krishnayak and welcome to my YouTube channel in 2021 guys, and in this video I am going to show you that how you can learn data science if you follow my specific playlist correctly, promptly, within 6 months. If you are just able to give a 1 to 2 hours daily, you will definitely be able to complete it. You will also be able to get the jobs, because in middle of this particular playlist I have also discussed about resume discussion, how you should actually fix your resume, how you should write your resume with respect to data science. Now this similar video I had uploaded 5 months back. Okay, so here you can see one video that I had uploaded 5 months back, in somewhere around August, right? Now in this video, at that time I had just uploaded somewhere around 500 videos. Now right now in my channel there are somewhere around 800 videos, and I have made sure that I put them in all the playlists. Now in this you can see complete machine learning project. So complete machine learning playlist, we basically say this as. Here, starting from Python, ending to all the machine learning algorithms in one playlist, there are around 104 videos. All the algorithms, ensemble technique, ADA boost, XGBoost, gradient boost, everything is uploaded. Okay, all the theoretical discussion, everything is uploaded in this specific playlist. And in further time, whenever I upload any videos with respect to machine learning, I'll also be putting in this specific playlist. So this is the first playlist that you should watch. Please go through this particular video, complete roadmap to be expert in Python. Then we start with all the Python programming videos. Okay, after completing Python programming, so suppose till 22nd or 21 or 22nd, tutorial 22, when you finish it, what you have to do is that jump to the statistics playlist. Okay, so first playlist that you have to follow is the complete machine learning playlist, still tutorial 22. Again, I'm mentioning guys, till tutorial 22. Make sure that you follow this. All these are Python videos which will make you good for becoming a data scientist. Now I'm not saying web developer, I'm saying data scientist. Okay, before going ahead with respect to this particular video, this video has been sponsored by Unacademy. So Unacademy has come up with its competitive program, which is CONQUEST 2021, from programming fundamentals to career readiness in C++. They have also come up with the same course on Python programming language also. It is a 1 year long interactive batch with live session, unlimited access to programming content and practice problem. Apart from this guys, if you really want to check out the free tutorials, also there's a link over here with respect to competitive programming. You will be having various course link which is completely for free. You can see with the respect to the problem statements like backtracking, linked list problems, number theory, hashing, shortest path algorithms. These are the educators' name. These are the various educators that you will be able to find, and with respect to that, the course link is actually given over here. It is completely for free. You can actually access it, and you can also use my subscription link with the code Krishnayak06 to get additional 10% discount with respect to the subscription. But if you go and see with respect to the programming camp, these are the basic topics that have been covered up. This is pretty much amazing. All the information will be given in the description of this particular video. Please do go ahead and have a look. This is the initiative from Unacademy along with the coach chef. So till you complete this tutorial 22, I think you need to follow this. After that, go to my statistics playlist. In statistics playlist, I have covered some videos, around 15 videos. These are important. Again, statistics is not getting finished over here. In the further part, you can see over here when we continue the machine learning playlist like tutorial 23, 24. So I'll just make this in order. You can see that univariate, bivariate, histogram, z-score, probability density function, CDA. These all are statistical concepts. And in the future also, it will be coming. See, there are 104 videos, guys. And as you know, I have uploaded somewhere approximately around 1000 videos in both my channel, combining both my channel. Okay, just follow this way. You will definitely be able to follow it. Okay, so first playlist is my complete machine learning playlist. You have to follow till tutorial 22. Then go ahead with the statistics playlist. In statistics playlist, just try to complete all these things. Then go with the feature engineering playlist. Feature engineering is pretty much important because feature engineering is one of the module of the entire or the complete life cycle of a data science project. So in this, I have uploaded around 14 videos. Now you may be considering, Krish, only 14 videos is required. Remember guys, here I have taken live session. live session of 1 hour 32 minutes, live session of 1 hour 22 minutes, live session of 1 hour 51 minutes, live session of 1 hour 20 minutes. So these all are very, very important techniques. There I've discussed with considering a use case. That is pretty much important. That is why I'm saying you follow this feature engineering playlist. You will be, see, this is like 14 videos, but more than 15 hours or 16-hour content is there. More than 15 to 16 hours content is there in this feature engineering playlist. I think not 15 to 16 hours, but at least approximately till 10 to 11 hours of content is there with respect to feature engineering. Once you are good at statistics and feature engineering, again come back to this. Start from tutorial 23 and complete till the end. This will actually help you to cover the entire machine learning. Yes, there are some of the advanced algorithms that are probably going to come up, which I'll be discussing soon enough. If there is any machine learning algorithms that is missing, you can also tell me. With respect to that, I'll try to explain. But everything, even time series problem, everything has been discussed. End-to-end machine learning project is also discussed. Okay, so everything is uploaded over here, guys. This is a very important thing that I'm telling you guys, because there are 104 videos in machine learning only. So we start with a programming language, that is Python. Then we go with and understand the entire structure. Like after this, you have to follow the statistics playlist, then feature engineering, then again come back and start from tutorial 23rd and complete it till the end. Okay, once you complete this, then the next thing that you should target is the complete roadmap to deep learning. Deep learning playlist I have uploaded till here. Only the thing that I need to upload is object detection and BERT. Only those two things is there. And I have also told in my previous video, within March, everything will get uploaded. Okay, within March, I'll try to upload everything. But here, with practical implementation, everything is uploaded. See over here, I have also taken very big videos now, guys. Now see, in this activation function, there is 38-minute videos. In this optimizers, 1 hour 41 seconds, 41 minutes, 1 hour 41 minutes video, guys. You just need to follow in the same structure. I've given the tutorial number. Don't worry. In the future, I have not given because I followed that same order. I forgot to write the tutorial number. Okay. So once you complete this, then what you have to do is that focus on the deployment of the models. How you have to do the deployment. Deployment, I've covered everything, guys, with Flask, Heroku, AWS EC2 instance, Google Cloud Platform, Azure, you know, with different frameworks like Web App, Fast API. Everything has been clearly explained and mentioned in this. Okay, because you have learned all these things, now you need to know how to do the deployment. This is specifically for 2021, guys. Again, make sure that you have a target to get the job as soon as possible. Okay, after this is a very important playlist, not this one, this one, which is called as live stream playlist. This live stream playlist is very important because 1 full month I had done daily live stream in solving end-to-end projects. End-to-end projects. See this. End-to-end projects. Every time I have done an end-to-end projects. Okay. Every day in 1 month. I think it was a November month. At that time, every day I used to do one end-to-end live stream project. Just get, if you have any scarcity of project, just go over here and do this entire thing. Right. Again, the link will be given in the description. Don't worry about it. This playlist name is live stream playlist. Okay. Then you have something like Docker playlist. Docker also is important for whenever you are going for the interview. So Docker has been implemented over here, and somewhere around 8 tutorials are there with respect to Docker also. Here I have explained what is Docker, Docker containers, how to build a Flask app, how to build a app with Flaskr, how to build an app with Fast API, how to do the Docker installation in Windows. Everything has been explained over here. Here I have also considered a library which is called as Streamlit library. This is also very important. Okay. After this is what I have done with respect to the DB, MongoDB, because people were also expecting databases. So I have actually created 7 tutorials on MongoDB also. Okay. So MongoDB, one of the databases is there. And the most important thing is machine learning interview questions. So here you can see live virtual interviews I've conducted. One playlist is this, the other playlist is this, right? So here I've made videos with respect to machine learning interviews, right? So all these things, all these links will be given in the description. You don't have to worry about it. Remember, guys, these all are important, and you just, if you follow this particular structure, I think within 5 to 6 months, even in 4 to 5. If you are devoting more time, within 3 to 4 months you will be ready, because everything is available in structured order for you, along with the practice and everything, guys. Yes, I had uploaded it over here, this particular video, but now after 5 months it has been updated a lot. I have uploaded so many videos, because every day at least one video I upload. Sometimes I go somewhere around 2 to 3 videos also. Now this is the thing that you have to follow. Just follow in this specific order. Just see for the reference purpose, and with respect to this, I will be uploading all the links in the description of this particular video. So I hope you like this particular video. And yes guys, I'm also going to make a very good announcement in my next video, which will be coming up in just some while. Here there is something that I really want to announce. It is very much interesting, and for that you just have to do one thing, which I'll be announcing very soon. So stay tuned, it will be pretty much amazing, and this is regarding data science jobs. Okay, I'll be announcing it, guys. Stay tuned. Okay, I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you and all. Bye bye.